Hello, students. Welcome back. I hereby narrate a long essay on pollution. Pollution is a word that is known by all at this moment. The increasing rate of pollution is making us worry. We all know pollution is a man-made phenomenon. Humans are responsible for all types of pollution. Effects of air and water pollution are very much visible nowadays. Water pollution is making people suffer from various gut diseases. Lung cancer and bronchitis are two major diseases caused by air pollution. Plastic pollution is interfering with our daily activity. Plastic is not biodegradable, so indirectly it is causing soil pollution. Plants and trees are the victims of regular soil pollution. Because of this, the roots of many trees are loosening. This is why floods are becoming so much frequent. People need to be conscious to prevent all pollutions. The government should enforce strict rules to avoid all pollutions. We need to abide by those rules. This is how we can overcome the danger. Thank you.